The gavel sounds, and all is still. The master speaks, proclaims his will. Each one obeys, takes up his tools, inspects the plan, consults the rules. With trowel and level, plumb and square, each stone is set exactly where. The plan provides, the drawing shows, and day by day, the temple grows. The porch is finished, pillars placed, the strands of network interlaced, the chambers furnished, pavement laid, the sacred vessels all displayed. The walls are standing straight and true, the roof is on, the labor through. The master speaks, the work is done. The gavel sounds, God calls us home.